know we've been talking about the temperatures. Yeah. It cools down a little bit when the sun goes down, so it'll be nice for the fireworks.
Exactly. So the sun sets at about 8:15, meaning it's darker by 8:45. Usually those fireworks go off by about 9 o'clock or so. And as we're talking about temperatures by then, some low 90s. Still pretty hot, but seasonal for us feeling out there. It doesn't look like we're heading into too nasty of a heat wave for the holiday next week. Now, as we take a look outside, you see all of those cameras perfectly clear. A little bit haze on the horizon. Yesterday's breezes took us down to 97 for a high instead of the 100s we saw this weekend, and it improved that air quality back to the moderate range. You see, as the sun is coming up, we're at 75 here in Bakersfield, a little warmer than yesterday, and that's because that system that passed by to the north and brought us that little bit of a breeze is kicking out. A new ridge of high pressure is building in the Pacific, so that means more sunny, stable weather. You see how much dry air is coming on shore over the southern portion of the state, and that's one of the reasons we're seeing a return to the 100s today and tomorrow. And then, like yesterday, Thursday will bring a fresh breeze, a drop in temperatures that feels pretty nice on Friday as well, and then right back to those 100s with a stronger ridge of high pressure for the weekend and early next week. Now, here's the 4th of July forecast. A week from tomorrow, next Wednesday, looking like possibly a high of 99. So again, low 90s falling to the upper 80s as you're out with your fireworks. For our futurecast, you see the high pressure that's building today and tomorrow, and then here comes that low pressure system Thursday into Friday, and then the stronger ridge of high pressure for the weekend. So we're not talking about any passing clouds out of this, no chances of rain either, just those temperatures that continue to be warm and then a little better and then a little warmer and then a little better for the next couple days right on into that holiday. So let's talk about what that means for our friends up in the mountains. 99 in the Kern River Valley today, 100 tomorrow, and then 101 to 102 Saturday and Sunday come this weekend. Tehachapi 89 today, you and Frazier Park see just a high of 90 tomorrow, and then low 90s come this weekend. Looking ahead to 4th of July for you, it's also looking to be just above average but sunny and dry.
All right, thanks, Elena.